Hello and good morning, everyone. Good Friday morning. Anyway, Adam here, Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning, I am going to show you probably one of the most gorgeous 1969 Chevy Camaros I've ever laid my eyes on. Wow, what a beautiful car this is. This car is a custom-built car, has around 4,000 miles since completion. This car was a super clean South Carolina car when it started its life. When it restarted its life a few years ago. This car has 4,000 miles on a custom restoration. This car has a 468 big block Chevrolet engine underneath the hood. It has a Tremec 5-speed transmission behind it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous car. It has a set of Coys wheels on it, front and back. It's got 18s on the front and 20s on the back. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes on it. The front and rear has drilled and slotted rotors as well. It's got adjustable coilovers on this car. Has a 12-bolt rear end in this car. 12-bolt positive traction rear end, 373 gears. And that is a great combination with that Tremec 5-speed transmission. You can see this black stripe down the car. Kind of a little bit hard to see. A little bit deceiving there until you get right up next to the car and how cool that stripe actually is. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Power steering, power brakes. You see 4-wheel disc brakes. Has vintage heat and air conditioning. Has powder-coated valve covers, powder-coated air cleaner. It's got a functional cowl induction hood on it. Man, what a beautiful car. Upgraded headlights, all the chrome, all the bright work on this car is gorgeous. It's got the chrome wheel well trim. All this stainless, all this bright work around the windows. Windshield is in excellent shape. 2017 Vehicle Safety Inspection NSRA. Door handles are in perfect shape. Glass is very, very nice in the car. Tinted windows. It's got the deluxe interior in it. Real comfortable seats. New carpet. New headliner. New console. Says 5-speed right on there. SS shifter ball. Really neat kind of banjo style SS steering wheel. Dash pads all brand new. New custom gauges in it. There's the back seat. There's the keys. There's the back seat of the car. Very, very nice. Headliner sail panels are very nice. Your back plate panel there looks great. Package tray, they call that. Say the headliner, the sail panels are in great shape. Sun visors are there. Look at the quality of this car. There's your paint and your door jambs. Your door panels look like brand new, as well as your armrest. There's all your doors, your seams. You want to talk about a nice 69 Camaro, you really don't need to look any further. This is it. And this thing really, really runs very well. You can see all your door gaps. They line up really nice, front and back. Very nice and equal all the way down. What a gorgeous car. I'm going to pop the hood and show you that here in a second too. I was just texting my other picture and video guy, have him come down here so we can take you out for a cruise in this car. I always like him to hold the camera while I'm going for a drive. I got a dash mount for my cell phone and for like a GoPro. I don't like using that as well as the camera. Doesn't seem to work as well for me anyway. Door panels, like I say, brand new. Armrests are great. All the door seals and rubber looks to be in great condition. There's your door jambs on this side. Your sill plates look like they're brand new. Your pedals all look brand new. Autometer gauges, a full cluster of gauges. It is just an absolute gorgeous automobile. The paint on this thing is very, very nice. I'd love to show you imperfections in this car. I really see hardly anything. I'll go through it really close with you. There's the inside of the trunk. Is nice carpeted trunk area. I like that a lot better than them rubber mats. Them rubber mats are terrible. They hold moisture like crazy. I will put this car up on the hoist here in a little while, and we'll take some really good underneath pictures of this thing. It's just a spectacular automobile. New taillights, new bumpers. All the paint inside the jam looks great. Spoiler looks great. Trying to get that trunk to slam down there. Sure, I'm doing something wrong. I think she's shut now. We'll open the trunk, open the hood, and show you underneath there. There we go. Sometimes it's hard to do things with one hand. There's the engine bay. Very, very nice engine compartment. There's your vintage heat and air conditioning. Your carbon fiber coated air cleaner and valve covers. Long tube ceramic coated headers. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock intake. It's like a Holley carburetor. Man, what a nice car. Aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes, electric fans. There's your functional hood. Your insulator's up there as well. Looks great underneath here. Let's start this thing up so you can hear it run. You're really gonna love this. This thing sounds amazing. Headlight indicator. Listen to this baby growl. License plate lights, tail lights, turn signals, side marker lights. She barks pretty loud. Look at them headlights. This car is simply amazing car. Get you some of this baby. Show you that right turn signal. Hot dog. Tell you what, you're in the market for a 69 Camaro, there's no sense looking any further. This thing is bad, bad, bad. Front to back, this thing is, it's about as sick, sexy as they get. We're gonna take this thing for a ride. This thing is a bad, bad boy. Here comes Travis, he's getting in. Morning.
Morning.
We're gonna go for a ride in this bad bitch.
I love this interior too.
Make sure that hood's shut down. Pretty sure it is, but now, ladies and gentlemen, I have had a hood come flying up at me one time. Maybe more, maybe 30. We won't talk about all those times, but this car is simply an amazing car.
Dash is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I think the dash pad's brand new. I think most of the interior in this thing's brand new. Wasn't a cheap build on this car, that's for sure. This thing's fun. It really gets right with the program. All the gauges seem to work in it. Fuel gauge works. Tach, speedometer, oil pressure gauge. 65, 70 pounds of oil pressure. Going down the highway, that's pretty damn good. This car's a bad boy.
It's a 5-speed?
Yep, Tremec 5-speed transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes. It's got vintage heat and air conditioning. I mean, I think this is about everything you can ask for a muscle car.
Felt like it didn't take much to spin the tires when you shifted in a second.
No, it was good thing we were hanging on to her there. She might have got away from us a little bit, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna get on in here a little bit when we leave. And you know, you heard that expression, get in, sit down, shut up, and hold on. Well, you might want to do that, but
I've learned this is when I need to hold on to the camera real good.
a little space in between us and that truck there, but all right, here we go. There's 100 mile an hour. I don't think we need to really exceed the speed limit any more than that. We might find one of them really nice guys in the brown cars around here with lights on top. We'd like to stay away from them. I'm telling you what, everybody, this car is 100% badass. Lay rubber in first, second, third gear. This car is amazing. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, KenyonAuto.com, KINION Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars every single day. Give us a call. This Camaro, if you don't buy it pretty soon, this thing's going to go in my personal collection because this is a bad bitch. Have a good day, everybody.